Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my channel. If you missed my recent video for popcorn, buttered popcorn, plant-based no oil style, then I'll leave a link to that below because this is what prompted people to ask for a little bit more detail on the vegan butter alternative that I made. So this is a delicious melted butter substitute that you can use on your popcorn, in mashed potatoes. It's absolutely amazing, over vegetables. It's just really, really delicious. I love it on asparagus as well, in particular steamed asparagus and some of this sauce over the top. Absolutely yummy. So what I'm doing is I'm just heating up a pan or a pot, whatever you have on hand, on a medium heat. And then what I'm going to do is use the brine from some chickpeas. So I'll just open this up and then I'll just strain it straight into this pan. It's just a great liquid to use, and we will make it taste buttery and give it that buttery consistency by adding in some vinegar. I don't usually measure specifically. It's probably about a tablespoon's worth of white vinegar. It's just what I prefer the taste of. And then I'm just going to put a tiny bit of salt in here just to give it that salted butter taste. And then pretty much the hardest part of this recipe is just stirring for the next few minutes until it really breaks down. Initially you'll see a lot of the white foam sitting on top. That's just from that chickpea, speak Anja, speak. That's from the chickpea brine mixing with the vinegar, and it will actually cook out and thicken. You'll see it just turns into the look of a melted butter. So just be patient, give it a little bit of a stir and it'll get there. So I've been stirring this for about 2 minutes, and as you can see, the white frothy parts are gone. It's now just bubbling away and still cooking, but keep it going, it'll thicken up a little bit more, and it's just smelling really good. I love the smell of that vinegar in there. Okay, so I've just turned the heat off, and as you can see, this is just like a melted butter consistency. It's absolutely amazing. And like I said, just put it in your mashed potatoes or on top of some veggies. Really, really good. Oh, it's delicious. It's so good. And it's healthy. You wouldn't just be eating spoonsful of butter, melted butter, but you can actually eat spoonsful of this and it's fine. No calories whatsoever, really, and absolutely tasty. I hope that you really like this recipe. I would love to see what you use it in. So tag me on Instagram or come on over to Facebook. I've got a group over there where I would love to see what you're making with this. Post some photos, post some comments, and I would love to hear how it works for you, because this is absolutely mind-blowing and I love using it on veggies. Like I said, I'm excited about this, as you can see. Give it a try and let me know what you think, and I will see you for the next recipe. Bye for now.